Hey, I'm Brycen with Trick Tools. We're out here in the fab shop and we're using the Fein surface finisher to resurface our fabrication table. And we thought it'd be a good opportunity to give you guys a quick look at what makes the surface finisher a great must-have tool for professional metal finishers. So with our fabrication table here, it's been used and abused over the years. It's had bracketry welded on it and some other things, as well as some surface rust and some other marring. And we just wanted to use the surface finisher to revitalize the tabletop to be able to use on further projects. Let me keep going with this thing and we'll show you guys how it works. So what makes this surface finisher into the must-have professional tool? Well, it comes with a wide variety of grinding, finishing, and polishing accessories. And depending on what accessories you're using, the handle grip here can be placed in 3 different positions on the grip arm, as well as it can be rotated 360 degrees to allow it to be used in almost any position. It also has a variable speed grinding motor that can be tuned from 900 to 2500 RPM, and that allows it to achieve rough grinding all the way to mirror finish on stainless steel. So as you can see, the Fein surface finisher made quick work out of resurfacing our fabrication table. When you buy this kit, it comes with the basic necessities for sanding and finishing on standard flat surfaces. Available for this Fein surface finisher is a variety of different other kits, as well as over 20 individual accessories. For more information on the Fein surface finisher, please give us a call or visit Trick-Tools.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this and other high-performance tools for the fabricator.